capacity to get of 6 overs, always an uphill task. You require somebody like her hero in the film, Mr. India, to now get Karnataka Bulldozers through to the target.
That's right, Sanjay. You will need someone like Mr. India. It's going to be invisible. There are the brand ambassadors of CCL.
And I think, who will you pick for the Selkan cheerleader of the match?
He could be a candidate as well. Banging the skins. A little bit of Shivarami.
These drummers have really taken to this 2020 format, whether it be it Sivamani for the Chennai Super Kings in IPL, or for this particular person, the gentleman which you just saw on your screen, beating the drums, getting the crowd elated for this all-important game of the CCL.
Oh, cotton ball! Another wicket lost by the Karnataka Bulldozers. 7th wicket down. Hurtling towards defeat, Sanjay. Things not looking good. And the Chennai cheerleaders extremely happy with the situation.
Well, the skipper of the Chennai Rhinos has pulled up his ace to do the job. Vishnu being introduced into the attack, and he doesn't disappoint him, taking a brilliant cotton ball. Mahesh taking the long walk back to the pavilion. Bulldozers are 112.
All you want to face as a batsman. Tell me, Sanjay, did you find cotton bowls a lot tougher than other catches? Just because of the reaction time involved?
Yeah, definitely yes, and also because the momentum is going forward. You don't really have a clear view of the ball. You can't really make a proper judgment of where it is coming. So those chances are very tough to grab, and I think Vishnu on that occasion was absolutely phenomenal in catching it.
Did you drop a few as a bowler, Sanjay?
Well, it's always better to remember the positives. I did grab a few good ones.
Good answer, Sanjay. I remember you taking a few in your time, diving around. With all the grace of a feline. End of the over. After 15 overs, Karnataka Bulldozers 117 for 7.